Hello students, I am your maths teacher. In today's class, we are going to see about division of algebraic expressions. Go through the link carefully students, understand the method of doing the sum, and then take down in your class of note neatly students. Now we are going to start with the sums. In today's class, we are going to see about division of algebraic expression, that is exercise 3.2. We are going to see this particular formula students, that is we are going to use this particular concept in your exercise, that is x to the power m divided by x to the power n. The value is same, power is different. In this case you can write it as x to the power m minus n, or this can also be written as numerator divided by denominator. The value will be same students, the number will be same, power will be different. So x to the power m minus n, that is numerator power m, denominator power n. M will remain as it is, denominator power when I am bringing to the top minus n, I will be writing it as minus n. So this is the way, you just keep this in your mind. Now we are going to start with the third sum. So this is a question they are giving you, divide 27y cube by 3y. 27y cube divided by 3y. What I am doing here is, I am just writing this y to the power 3 times, y into y divided by 3y. So this is one of the way of doing the sum. You can cancel the term, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, y get cancelled. After cancelling the remaining terms, 9 into y divided by 1, which can be written as 9y square. Y 2 times I am having here, so y to the power 2. Or same question, I am taking the same question, cancel 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. This particular case, if you see both are y, the power is different, 3y to the power 3. Here if you are not going to have the power means 1, y to the power 3, denominator if I am going to bring it top means plus 1, when I am bringing to the top minus 1, 3 minus 1, if you calculate 9y square. So both the answers are same. In two different ways we can do the calculation, and the best way is this one, and this will be the easiest way of doing the calculation. Question number 3, they are given you as 45x cube y square z to the power 4 by minus 15xyz. Now we are going to divide this particular value students. While I am dividing, first I am going to check the sign. Top one is positive and bottom is negative. Plus divided by minus, you will be getting it as minus. 1545, if you cancel, you will get the value as 3. And coming to x, y, z, we are having 3 variables and with different powers. What I am going to do is, x, first I am writing x as it is. What is the power here is 3, bottom is 1, 3 minus 1. Numerator power you are going to write it as it is. Denominator 1 plus 1. If you are going to bring it top means you will be writing it as minus 1. Y to the power 2 minus 1 and z to the power 4 minus 1. After calculating, you are going to get the value as minus 3x square y z cube. Question number 4. They are asking you to simplify this particular value students. What I am going to do here is, I am going to take, this is a question given here, between these two fractions I am having it as plus. What I am doing here is, I am writing this 3 as it is students. Both the values are same, m to the power 2 minus 1. So this is a way of writing, plus 2 m to the power 4 minus 3. So after calculating, I will be getting like this, 3 m to the power 1 plus 2 m to the power 1. Understand one thing, m to the power 1 can be written as m. That is, if you are not going to have any power at the top means it is understood that the power is 1. So in this way I am writing here 3m plus 2m, which is equal to 5m. So if the variables, both the variables are same, I can calculate the value plus 3m plus 2m, which is nothing but plus 5m. Coming to the next question, we are going to subtract the value. Two fractions they have given here. You are going to subtract the value students. After subtracting, you are going to get a variable like this, p cube q square, p cube q square. So I'm going to keep this variable as a constant. Both the variables are in the same way. 7 minus 4, you will get the value as 3, p cube q square. Coming to the fifth question, they will be giving you the value like this, students, that is 32 y square 8yz by 2y. What I am going to do is by 2y means you are going to divide that value, numerator divided by denominator. Denominator you are having it as 2y, top you are having two terms, you are going to split the denominator for two terms separately. So understand properly, you are having only one 2y, but numerator part I am having two terms. For these two terms, I am going to bring the denominator separately. So, 32y square divided by 2y minus 8yz divided by 2y. Calculate the value, students. While you are calculating, be careful, check the variable and then do the calculation. 16y 2 minus 1 minus 4, this y get cancelled, remaining 4z. So after calculating, the final answer is going to be 16y minus 4z. Second question, they are given you this particular numerator value and denominator, students. I am just writing in the form of division. Top you are going to check, you are having 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms. For these 3 terms, I am going to bring the denominator separately, 2mn separately for each term. So after bringing for each term separately, what I am doing here is just I am doing a small calculation. You are going to cancel the terms. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. This 2 will remain as it is. N will get cancelled. And here we are going to do the calculation the way what I told you. M to the power 2 minus 1, n to the power 3 minus 1. Be careful. Numerator, denominator n to the power 1. Bringing to the numerator means n to the power 3 minus 1. I will do and show you the calculation. Suppose if you are going to have like this, n to the power 3 divided by n means the meaning is n to the power 3 into n to the power minus 1, which can be written as n to the power 3 minus 1. So this one I am writing directly in this place. So in this way we are going to do the calculation, students. This power 1 you can remove, automatically the final value is going to be n square plus 8 m cube n minus 1 by 2. Same way you are going to try the third sum. Third sum also the same procedure you are going to follow here, students. You are going to try 3 terms I am having here, 6xy denominator value split, do the calculation and finally you will get an answer like this. Fourth question. So fourth question, they are given you this numerator value, students, and denominator. Denominator if you see, they have written like this, 3pqr whole square. The meaning for this one is you are going to bring the power 2 inside for every value, 3 square, p square, q square, r square. So 3 square means 3 into 3 9, p square, q square, r square. That value I have written directly in the denominator part. So after 81 is outside for all the 3 terms. 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81. After calculating this value, bring this 9 inside. 3 terms you are having here, students. P square, q square, r square. Split the denominator for 3 terms separately. Do the calculation and finally you will get the answer in this form. That is 9 p square r plus 18 pq minus 45. Question number 6, identify the error and correct them. So this is a question they are asking you, students. The first one, they are given you left hand side, right hand side value. First I am going to take the left hand side. I am going to check the variable. 3 terms, you are having it as y square for all the 3 terms. I am going to take only the numbers here. With the sign, I am going to take the numbers plus 7, minus 1, plus 3. What I am doing here is, just I am going to take the first 2 terms, I am going to calculate. Plus 7 minus 1, you are going to have it as 6. That is plus 7y square minus 1y square. Plus 7 minus 1, sign is different, means you are going to subtract the number. Greater number sign plus 6y square. Write it here, students, and 3y square I am going to write it as it is. 6 plus 3, 9, that is 9y square. The variable will remain as a constant. Similarly, So 9y square, this is the answer I am getting here. But what is the answer given here? 10y square. So that is the mistake. That is the error here. 10y square will not be your answer. 9y square is going to be your answer. So this is a correction we are doing in the, this is a method of doing the sum. Left hand side, right hand side they will give you. Just you are going to see which one you can calculate, and according to that you are going to do the calculation. Coming to the second question, first I am going to check left hand side, right hand side. Just analyze and see, students, which one I can calculate. Only left hand side I can calculate, right hand side I cannot do anything. I am going to keep it as it is. I am going to check whether I am going to get this answer or not. 6xy plus 3xy. Calculate. Both are xy. Xy is going to remain as it is. So if you are going to go for your rough work, 6xy plus 3xy means both the signs are same. Add plus 9xy, you are going to write it as it is. So what is the answer I am getting here? 9xy. But what is the answer given in your question? 9x square y square, which is not your answer, and this one is going to be your answer. So the mistake here is they are given you as x square y square, that is wrong. Coming to the third question, left hand side you are going to take, just multiply this m inside, 4m square minus 3m, and what is missing in your right hand side? Only m is missing in this part. Coming to the fourth question, take the left hand side, students. 4n square. What is the meaning of 4n square? N the whole square means 4n into 4n, that is 4 4s are 16 n square. So this is the meaning. I have written here 16n square minus 2n plus 3. Here they are given you as 4. Instead of 4, you are getting it as 16n square minus 2n plus 3. Coming to the fifth question, you are going to multiply the terms. That is, first I am going to take this x, multiply the term here, x into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into plus minus, minus 2 into plus 3, minus 6. Calculate, you are getting the answer as x square plus 1x minus 6. So what is the term missing here is plus 1x is missing in this place. Sixth question, left hand side I cannot do anything. So right hand side I am taking the value. I am just multiplying the sign inside. The sign will get changed. So what is the value I am getting here is 3p square minus 4p plus 7. So what is the sign here interchanged is plus 4p minus 7, which is not the correct answer, and this is the correct answer. Just we are finding the error and we are correcting the values. Number 7, they are given you two statements and they are asking you to check whether these two statements are true or false. First one I am going to take here, students. What is the first statement? Both are different. We are going to just calculate and find the answer. 24p square q is divided by 3pq. Then the quotient is 8p. 24p square q divided by 3pq. What I am doing here is I am cancelling. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. Q will get cancelled. 8p square divided by 1p. So 8 by 1 is nothing but 8. P power 2, 1. If you are going to bring it to the numerator means minus 1. If you calculate 8p to the power 1, which can be written as 8p. So I am getting the correct answer. Statement A is true. Coming to statement B, they are asking you to simplify this one and they are telling that this is going to be your answer, 5x. 5x plus 5 divided by 5. Just remove the bracket, 5x plus 5 divided by 5. From this I am going to take 5 common outside. Two terms. The number 5 I am going to take it common outside. If I am going to take 5 common outside means x plus 1 divided by 5. Cancel the value. I am getting it as x plus 1 divided by x, which is nothing but x plus 1. But the answer which is given in your question is 5x. But what is the answer I am getting here is x plus 1. So statement B is false since they are asking you to bring this answer. This is not possible. So statement B is false. They are given you 4 options in your book, students. So option 2 is your answer. A is true but B is false. Last question, question number 8, students. In this also they are given you 2 statements. I am going to take the first one. Right hand side I am going to take the value. I am going to simplify. After simplifying, just I am going to 3 terms inside. In that I am going to multiply 2. After multiplying 2, I'm getting the value as 4x square plus 6x by 2 minus 2. Simplify 4x square plus 3x minus 2. So this is the answer. Left hand side this value I am having, so automatically statement A is true. Coming to statement B, left hand side, right hand side, I am going to simplify it separately, students. Left hand side I am going to take the value, you are going to do the calculation. Just you are going to remove the bracket first. Minus 5 plus 2m, calculate m constant 4m minus 10, equation 1. Right hand side also you are going to calculate, students. You are going to get the answer as 4m minus 10. So from equation 1 and 2 I can tell that left hand side equal to right hand side. Automatically both A and B are true. So in this class we have completed exercise 3.2, students. Understand the basic concept of division of integers. You have to be very clear with the constant, variable and the sign. Do the calculation as many times as possible and write neatly in your classwork note. Thank you.